At LearnQ, the AI Avatar feature empowers educators to create their own digital twin. Whether you're an individual tutor, a small organization, or a large institute, the AI Avatar allows you to bring your knowledge to life. The AI avatar won't just have your name and face on it, it will embody your knowledge, educational resources, expertise, and unique communication style. It captures the essence of your teaching, making your presence available anywhere at any time. Without you having to translate your educational resources, your AI avatar will communicate and teach in all global languages. The use case possibilities of this new AI avatar feature is endless because learners can not only practice with you 24/7, but you too will be available across time zones to solve their doubts or explain concepts at any time. This feature increases your efficiency while enhancing student engagement and results. In this video, we'll show you how to customize and train your AI tutor avatar. First, we'll customize our AI avatar, then we will train the AI avatar with knowledge base by uploading their domain specific resources. So let's get started with customization. Log into your platform dashboard. From the menu bar, go to settings and click on AI avatar settings. To customize your AI avatar, click on the edit button. The first thing you'll see is a space to rename your AI avatar, as by default it's Mia. You can give it your brand name to create a personal connection with learners. Next, you can go on to upload an image that is either your brand logo or a personal tutor image. Now, let's define how your AI avatar interacts with learners. You can include a backstory, provide context about the AI avatar's role, describe its response style, and define the communication tone. Next, crafting a welcoming message for your AI avatar to greet your learners because it sets a positive first impression and motivates learners to engage with the AI avatar. And you're done. Finalize your customization by clicking the Save Changes button. This will apply all your settings and update the AI avatar. Now, personalization with LearnQ is a lot more than just customization. So scroll down to the Add Knowledge base. This is where the magic begins. You see, with knowledge base, the AI avatar becomes as unique as you. It is trained by your experience, expertise, and educational resources. To begin, enter knowledge base name. This name will be displayed to you when you access the knowledge base. Next, provide a brief overview description of the knowledge base's purpose and contents. Then add knowledge base tags in form of keywords. Tags enable better organization and searchability of these resources within your knowledge base. So make sure you select tags that accurately represent the content you are uploading. Lastly, to train your AI avatar, upload resources and materials in PDF format. You can choose core subject materials such as textbooks, class notes, study guides. You can also upload practice problems and assessments including mock test or even reference materials such as cheat sheets or research papers. Once all files have been uploaded, click the Create button. And that's it. Your AI avatar is now a virtual extension of your brand, allowing you to deliver a personalized, effective learning experience. This feature is already live on the LearnQ platform. If you're an existing user, you can start training your AI avatar now. New users can book a product demo through the link in description to get started.